Hello and welcome to Full of Food. One of the best things about the Ninja Smartlid is the fact you can cook a whole meal in one pot. This easy and quick Hosin chicken and rice dish is a great recipe to whip up on a weekday. We're using the Ninja Smartlid, but you could also use the Ninja Speedi. Okay, so on to the ingredients. Really simple one, this one. I've got some chicken breasts here. I'm doing a serving for 2, but you could double it for 4. I've got some Hosin Sauce. I just like this blue dragon one. It has a really nice taste to it. And then I've got some rice. I've got some chicken stock. I find cooking the rice in stock a little bit better. Little bit of butter. Some broccoli I'm going to serve on the side. And then for garnish I've got some spring onions and some sesame seeds. Okay, so on to the method. Like I said, this is such a simple one to do. Grab your chicken breasts, pop them in a bowl, and you just want to absolutely slather them in that lovely Hosin sauce. So we're going to get a good dollop in there and then cover them up. If you've got time, put them to one side to marinate. I didn't with this one and they still worked out beautifully, but if you can, put them to one side and marinate them. Next thing, I've just got some rice in here. I'm just going to give that a wash. So there we go, nicely washed rice. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use the Ninja Smartlid to cook our rice. So we're going to pop our rice in there, that little bit of butter, and then that lovely chicken stock. Make sure that that all goes in there. As I said, cooking rice in chicken stock just gives it this beautiful flavour. Little stir, make sure everything's combined, make sure that rice isn't stuck together. And then we're going to get our rack and we're going to put some foil over the bottom. We're using this in the lower level. If you've got a Ninja Smartlid, it's the lower level one. And then we just take those beautifully marinated chicken breasts, pop them on the rack, make sure you get all that sauce out, spread it over the top because that's going to make a beautiful glaze when you cook it. Pop that in on top of the rice and then we're going to close that up and we're going to steam cook this for 200 degrees for about 15 minutes. You want to check how your chicken's doing, but that's about right for those pieces I had. In the meantime, I want you to grab your broccoli, pop that in a steamer and just cook it. And then look at that beautiful glazed, sticky Hosin chicken breast. And that rice is so fluffy. I'm not going to cook rice any other way now. It just comes out beautiful. So to serve up, all I like to do is grab that fluffy rice, flavour with that beautiful chicken stock. There's my breast of chicken. Get some more of that Hosin and drizzle it over the top just to make sure you've got really lovely flavour. Some sesame seeds, our steamed broccoli on the side, just get that in the side, and then a few sesame seeds on the broccoli. I like to just snip some spring onions over the top and some red chilli. It adds some colour, but it really adds a little bit of freshness to the dish. And there you have it, a beautiful one pot easy meal to do on a weeknight, and it tastes absolutely delicious. Hosin chicken with beautiful stock infused rice, perfect to have for dinner.